Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a sponsored product from Beech. It is their wireless RV leveling system. Pretty excited about it. Let me spin you around and we'll take a look. So in my last video I installed this Beech 12 volt refrigerator fan. Very impressed. We cut our last camping trip short because our fridge temps went to 60 degrees in the hot Florida sun, and this is after installing those roof vent fans. So I shared that video with Beech, my apologies, and they reached out to me to do an evaluation on their wireless RV leveling system. Seems pretty simple to install. So let me get it unboxed and we'll go from there. Let's try this one more time, this time with the phone on record, on video, instead of picture. So got it opened up. Looks like on the top is the QR codes for iOS and Android. The phone I'm filming this with is an Android. So I will install it on a iPad mini as well. So this is what you get. I think the most important thing that you get, let me just pull this out. You got AA batteries, 2 mounting screws, and I think the absolute most important thing that you get is a product that is designed and manufactured in the USA. So it seems very straightforward. As I struggle, there we go. So this is it. You got 2 batteries, 2 mounting screws, and I believe I was thinking about where I was going to mount this. And I was going to just spin you around, mount it right here behind this TV. I think, if you don't get motion sickness, I'm going to take you outside real quick. I think where I've decided to mount it is right against that wall. It'll be easy to get to if I need to change the batteries, and I will also be able to get the temperature of this outside compartment. So let me get the app installed and I'll be back. So you want to start out with a level RV. So I have verified level side to side, front to back. Also took the longer level and verified once again that my slab is actually level front to back and side to side. So this is a good starting point. Okay, let me show you where I decided to mount this. Right here in this compartment behind the TV. Thought that was a good place for it. I wanted it on the outside because this does read temperature. So it'd be nice to have the compartment temperature displayed. Let me install the app. Okay, one of the measurements I need is wheelbase, center to center. I've already done the width from outside tire to outside tire. So it looks like 21 feet 1 inch is the wheelbase. All right, more to come. Okay, there's going to be some background noise because I have the air conditioning on. It's pretty hot here in North Florida. Let's install the software. Okay, I have installed the unit. Hit allow. Inches Fahrenheit. Okay, let's save that. We are connected. Done. Have a Class A. And the logo is facing the rear. Next. I've already, as you just saw in the video, verified level. Outside to outside. I actually measured the front and then went back and measured the difference to the wheel well on the back. So I'm going to say 92 inches. Next. The wheelbase I measured at 252. Done. Submit. Okay. Current temperature is great. Good information. The flashlight is just way too cool. Okay. Roll. Both. Okay. So we're good. I'm going to stop the screen recording for now. My motorhome has 3 jacks, 2 in the back, 1 in the very center in the front. So when I'm leveling, I normally like to focus front to back. Okay, I'm rocking side to side in the motorhome so you can kind of see how sensitive this is. Now I'm going to pull forward and this will show why I like this product. As I come off of my level RV pad, you can see how unlevel I am right here. If I were to drop my jacks right now and level out, my 2 front tires would be off the ground. This happens to me more than once. But if you notice, if I'm jockeying around in the sight, I can get much closer to level. Find the air suspension rocking. You gotta go very slow and actually come to a stop to get better readings. Pitch is still high, so this is much more reasonable. Okay, so this is absolutely acceptable. If I was jockeying around in a sight before I lowered my jacks, right now is where I would lower the leveling jacks, and that would balance it out without lifting the wheels off the ground, which is what you want. I'm going to use this device a lot more over the coming weeks and months. Wow, just moving just a couple inches on your RV site, especially if it's gravel, can really get your rig level. Highly recommend this. Thanks to Beech Lane for sending this out. Okay, let's install this on a very old iPad mini. I have installed the unit. Next, I'm going to put OK for Bluetooth. Select measurements, inches, Fahrenheit, that's all good. And there we are. Picked it right up. Done. Okay, let's hit next. Current temperature. Next. Next. And done. Very interesting. So when I set this up on my Android device, it saved all the settings. So when I just now installed it on this iPad mini, the name that I set on when I installed it on the Android app, saved. This is really cool. Makes it really easy if you're going in between devices. So that's where I'm going to leave this one. I think this will be a great investment for getting your motorhome as close to level as possible before deploying the jacks. The jacks are stabilizing jacks. They are not meant to lift the wheels off the ground. With that being said, this product, if you own a towable, just go to Amazon now and spend the money. This device should be standard equipment on every towable RV for sure. And great benefits, right? Even if you got a motorhome with automatic leveling jacks. So with that being said, hope you enjoy this video. Thanks to Beech Lane for sending this to me. I will use it and report back.